The alarm clock blares at 5 a.m. It is not a welcome sound, but it is a necessary one. For a UPSC aspirant, the day begins early. We are not afraid of hard work. The dream of serving India fuels our spirit. A quick cup of chai and some stretching help to wake up the mind. Then it is time to face the mountain of books and notes. The syllabus is vast, covering history, polity, economics, and more. But we take it one step at a time. The morning is dedicated to the toughest subjects. For me, it is always history. I find it helpful to tackle complex topics when my mind is fresh. I make notes, underline key points, and use mnemonics to remember facts. After a couple of hours, I take a short break for breakfast. It is important to eat well and stay energized. Then, it is back to the books for another session, this time focusing on current affairs. Newspapers, magazines, and online resources keep me updated on national and international events. Lunchtime is a welcome break. I eat with my family, cherishing this time to disconnect from studies. Afternoons are for lighter subjects like the optional paper. I also try to fit in some exercise, even if it is just a brisk walk. Physical activity helps clear my head and reduces stress. In the evenings, I often join online study groups to discuss doubts and share knowledge with fellow aspirants. This sense of community keeps me motivated. Before bed, I unwind with a book or some music. Sleep is crucial for retaining information. The journey of a UPSC aspirant is arduous, demanding unwavering discipline and resilience. There will be moments of doubt, frustration, and exhaustion. But remember why you started. Hold on to the dream of serving your nation. Take care of your physical and mental health. Celebrate small victories. Surround yourself with a supportive network. And never, ever give up. The path is long, but the reward is worth the effort.